As you continue to embrace your creative abilities, you become more and more confident in your ability to manifest your destiny. You understand that obstacles are merely opportunities to test your strength and creativity. With each challenge, you become more resilient, more focused, and more determined to succeed. Your subconscious is now aligned with your conscious desires, and you are now fully committed to achieving your goals. You are determined to utilize your creative abilities to their fullest potential, and you feel a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment in your daily life. You radiate positive energy and enthusiasm, and people are drawn to your infectious energy. You inspire others with your creativity and your commitment to living a fulfilling life. You recognize that you have the power to create your reality, and you use this power to manifest your dreams into reality. With each passing day, your creative abilities grow stronger, so go ahead and embrace your creative abilities and let them guide you on your journey towards success and fulfillment. Remember that you are a powerful being and that you have the ability to create your reality in any way that you choose. Embrace the power of your mind and let your creativity lead you towards the life of your dreams. As you continue to develop and use your creative abilities, you become more connected to your inner self and to the universal consciousness. You now understand that you are part of something much greater than yourself and that you are connected to all things in the universe. You use your creativity to express your unique perspective and to connect with others on a deep level. You now feel a sense of unity with all beings, and you understand that your creative energy has the power to uplift and inspire others. You are now experiencing a sense of flow and ease in your creative pursuits, and you find that ideas come to you effortlessly. You trust in your intuition and in the wisdom of the universe, knowing that you are always guided towards your highest good. You now see the world as a canvas for your creativity, and you are always seeking new ways to express yourself and to make a positive impact on the world. You are now living a life of purpose and meaning, and you feel a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. So go ahead and embrace your creative abilities and let them guide you towards the life of your dreams. You are now becoming all that you are capable of being, and you are shining your light for all to see. You are a powerful creator, and you are now using your creative abilities to make the world a better place.